For over 130 years, Ultrasource has been innovating products and solutions to help grow your business. Thousands of companies worldwide know that Ultrasource is the best way to address their processing and packaging equipment needs. Manufactured in the United States at our Kansas City facility, the Rhino line of tray sealers are designed and engineered to handle an array of food packaging applications and volumes ranging from small processing operations to medium and large-size commercial environments. All the models are available with seal only or with modified atmosphere packaging, commonly known as MAP, to suit all of your packaging needs. Modified atmosphere packaging can be used to carefully control the atmosphere within the package to extend the shelf life. The Rhino tray sealers are designed to enhance product appearance, increase shelf life, and package durability. Our Rhino drawer-style tray sealer is ideal for small to medium-sized production environments. Constructed of stainless steel and anodized aluminum, the Rhino 4 is built to operate in washed-down environments. The Film Advance system on the Rhino 4 eliminates film breakage, and the fully electronic film tension control means there are no mechanical adjustments needed. This efficient, labor-saving packaging machine seals up to 10 cycles per minute seal only, or 4 MAP cycles per minute. Ease of use is a critical design consideration at Ultrasource. We have built-in accessibility and convenience at every step of the Rhino 4. Pneumatic hinges in the hood provide easy access to the inside of the machine, and the removable front and back panels allow for ease of access when maintenance is required. Tooling changeover is fast and easy, requiring no tools to accomplish product changeovers in less than 15 minutes. The Rhino 4 is controlled via a 5.6-inch high-resolution touchscreen, which regulates sealing time, sealing temperature, vacuum level, gas flush, and more for various product needs. Designed to enhance product appearance, shelf life, and package durability, our Rhino 4 is ideal for market launch conditions, pilot runs, research, labs, and small to medium-sized production environments. The Rhino 4 is efficient, easy to use, and reliable. So for your equipment and supply needs, think Ultrasource first.